In your operational case study, you are required to show good business acumen, which means the answers that you provide should be related to the scenario and the business that is given to you. On screen, you see three case studies that was given. The first one is about a car rental and a maintenance organization. So when it is a maintenance organization, when it comes to car spare parts, it takes a long lead time. So in that case, JIT purchasing or JIT systems may not be the best option that we can go with. Then when you look into the industry right now, we are looking at a meal kit organization. So these meal kits are pre-ordered. So in that situation, JIT would be possible for us to be used. Now, if it's a shoe manufacturing industry, people do want to have the shoes. They do not like to wait in the line until the shoes are being prepared. So in that case, JIT purchasing systems and production systems may not be applicable.